What's the name of the fall?
Kan Umantad.
Kan Umantad.
Falls.
Kan Umantad.
Tad.
Kan Umantad Falls. Very hard to say. Salamat. Okay. So that's the fall. We're just going to go and see that now.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Kamusta ka? All right. So you get here, back. You can only get, well, you not with a car. Only the road is very short, so you a scooter, or you will need to get here by abal-abal. I'm sure there is people who will take you down. It's pretty steep, probably okay from the main road to get to the fall. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Whew. Going to enjoy that because it's very hot. It's really time for a swim. So this is the tallest falls in Bohol. I'll tell you after the height. So this fall is 79 meters or 80 meters. Right. Mabuhay! Kamusta?
Okay lang po.
Okay lang po.
How are you?
Okay na. Alright, that's the best time of the day now to go into the waterfalls. Thinking of you, Owen, if you're watching. The tallest waterfall in Bohol. Inside the cave, it's going to be very noisy. It's a hot morning today, so direction waterfall. Bohol, you saw the sign. I forgot the name already. Seen so many fall, but I haven't been to that one yet, so going to go and explore. It's a beautiful morning on my way from Enda to near Loay today and exploring the area. Let's go to the fall. So I am at Kinaugan Falls, Bohol. Nice little paradise.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying and I lost.
Pretty cool little waterfall there. Water is nice and fresh. Oh, that's a pretty nice pool. It's got quite a few little waterfalls with little pool to swim in. That's pretty cool.
Why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do.
That's the first one, then there is 2, 3, but 4 little falls there. And each of them got their own little pool at the bottom of it. Really cool.
Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance.
Wow, that's pretty cool. And the water is so nice and refreshing. It's been a bit hot today. All those different little stations. Love it. Thinking of you, Owen.
My life used to be in blue. Now it's mostly filled with gloom. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside.
Oh, it's a beautiful waterfall. Definitely recommend it. Another beautiful waterfalls.
Like the way you used to do when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you. I'll never mislead you. Give us love another chance. Take my hand, let me have this dance.
Well, that's another day finished, guys. So thank you for following the channel. Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will see you on my next adventure. Still going around Bohol, so there is still a few other things to see. You will see it on the next video. Stay safe, peace. Thank you for watching.